Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking show. Not really. I'm not really a master chef, and this isn't a cooking show. Well, I can cook to save my life. Can't say the same about those who might eat my cooking though. Hey, the reason for this cooking theme is that I'm going to do a series of videos, short videos. I'll try to keep it under 3 minutes. And the topic is going to be the recipe for success. Because I believe that there's a lot of commonality between cooking and success. Let's see how. What's the first thing you need to do before you start cooking? Yeah, you need to plan what you're going to cook. Right? What's the desired final outcome of your cooking? Is it going to be a cake? Is it going to be curry? Is it going to be a steak? Are you going to bake, grill, fry? You need to know that before you begin. Much like that, when you're on your success journey, you need to define the outcome. You need to define your success. Because everybody's success journey is unique. You know, I believe we're all one of a kind. And I remember sometimes going into an Indian shop, if you were going to buy, maybe an Indian clothes store or something. A lot of times the shopkeeper will say, "One piece, sir," meaning it's one of a kind. So my friends, we're all one piece. We're not one in a million, we're not one in a billion, we are one in 7.8 billion. Just consider how special and unique that is. So if we are that unique, how can our success journeys be common? How can we look at someone else and say, if I get what he has, I'll be successful. Or if I can do what she's doing, I'll be successful. I wrote a blog on this topic, and I'll put a link to that in the description here. I'll leave you with a few questions to ponder so that we can all start figuring out what our unique definition of success is. What is most important to you? What do you think makes up for a successful life, or makes for a successful life? What are you willing to commit to achieve that success? Because you always have to give something in order to get something. What are you willing to give? Could be time, could be money, could be effort. And how will you know when you have become successful? What is your measure for success? Think about these questions, and we'll meet again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.